Good morning, guys. It's actually lunchtime. Up a bit late for today, and I am on my way out from Big Bamboo Resort to explore the rest of the parts of Sipalay, and of course check out other resorts or anything that I can visit to. There is no fixed itinerary. That's the catch. Such a spontaneous trip indeed. But the good thing is that I might find good places over here. Ask locals. Yes, that is an OTW tip that I abide. Alright guys, so I don't know what I would show you today. So I'm taking you with me to explore Sipalay City. Guys, I don't know where to head to, so I just chose somewhere near the market. The restaurants that are really good and are fond by the locals. Usually in my travels, it is always somewhere near the market. So here in the center of the city of Sipalay is a local market, and I found this Kylo's restaurant. I don't know, and I haven't read anything about it. But nevertheless, I'm gonna try and explore it over here. I hope the food does taste great. Hey there guys, just had lunch, and lunch was indeed great without even reading reviews or asking the locals. So I just figured that out, so long as it's near the market and when there's a lot of people going in, so probably it is a good restaurant or a good eatery. So now I am off to the market. So here's some market behind me. I need to buy ice cubes and a bit of chips because everything is consumed. And so I'm here and I'm about to check out the place. I'm thinking about going to other resorts for this afternoon. So yeah, I will show you the rest of Sipalay. Guys, needed to buy ice. So guys, if you need ice, I passed by here, Alco Best Purified Drinking Water, and then there you have ice. Again guys, so apparently Perth hasn't opened, not like any other resorts which has already operationally opened for guests, and especially that Bacolod and Sipalay is, I think, on alert level 2. So tourists outside Negros can come and visit Negros Occidental with the requirements of Vax-Cert or anything that would support that you are fully vaccinated. And there are also different requirements for the partially vaccinated. And of course, a valid ID. But then apparently I've asked local tourists over here, and Perth hasn't opened yet because of the damaging and devastating effects of the Typhoon Odette, which just recently happened, and unfortunately also affected our hometown Cebu. So now, oh by the way, just right before planning to go to Perth, I went down to the Nataasan Resort. And you know what, guys, this is the downside of spontaneous travel, because if you haven't planned your accommodations just yet, and that would fall on a weekend, most likely it will be full, given that there are less strict restrictions over here and for the rest of the provinces and cities of the Philippines. So that, guys, it was full, and I think I have to plan another accommodation for that. So yeah, I think that's something that I should do by now, I guess. So see you guys. I will show you more what's in store and what would probably happen in this trip here in Sipalay. Hey there, guys. So because Perth is closed, Nataasan is full, and I'm not planning to enter a day tour over there. Oh, by the way, guys, when you go to Nataasan, the entrance fee for day tour is 100 if you will not swim in the pools. And I'm not sure if they have a beach. That you have to pay 100 pesos. If not, then you're gonna pay 200 for that. Tinago Falls or Tinago Beach is the way to go. So here, this is it. I'm gonna show you in a bit. So 30 pa rin. 30 yung entrance fee. Oh.